If you want to move something in your photo on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is open the Photos app, and then we're going to choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Let's tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen, and now we can tap on something, draw a shape around it, or brush the area that you wish to move. So I'm just going to tap on this car toy that I have over here, and then we have the Move option. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to change the position. There we go. So once it is highlighted like this, you can try to move it up and down and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna move it over here, and let's tap on move. And after a couple of seconds, it should be done. And there we go. This is how it looks like. Of course, it should. There is definitely a room for improvement in this specific case. We can try to fix that by, for example, erasing these shadows and so on and so forth. But this is how it works. Once you are done, press this check in the bottom right corner. And of course, after that, we can save our photo by tapping on Save as Copy in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.